guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, and we're gonna color this little unicorn bag set today. We're gonna color it, and if you've seen our last video of shopping all of these craft things, then please give me a thumbs up. So the package brings this little bag, and it brings 5 markers: pink, orange, yellow, blue, and purple. So I'm just gonna lay this bag like this because it will be much easier to paint with the markers, and then it won't go like a little bit more weird when it looks like very bumpy. So I'm just gonna do this so it doesn't look that weird. Also includes sparkly gems: pink, blue, green, purple, and silver. Let's get started. Done. I'm gonna put the gems on. So I'm gonna get started with this one and put it right here. This one, put it right here. And this other one, put right here. And for face right there. Wow. I am so excited with my new bag, and I can't believe I just painted it because look. It's cute. The unicorn looks so cute. And I really enjoyed this video because I got to color this bag. I love it. I wish I could just take it outside and put some stuff in it. But not right now because the video is ending. So see you in our next video. Oh, and I forgot, make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye.